Hey, thanks again for enrolling in the Effortless Income Program. You are just minutes away from flooding your email inbox with business owners who need this unique service that you'll be offering. Now, before we begin, I want to ask you something. How would you like to only deal with business owners after they have paid you? That means no more selling leads, no more dealing with uninterested prospects, no more haggling for your fees, and never having to do any work for free again. In fact, what if I were to guarantee you 3 new clients, each paying you $497 a month into your PayPal account just 2 weeks from right now? And you will only hear from or deal with the business owners after they have paid you. Completely 100% guaranteed. All you have to do is send 5 cold emails every day to the business owners I tell you to. Interested? Well, here's the deal. I've been teaching this approach to my private coaching students for over a year now, and every one of the students that used this method were getting great replies from potential clients. However, a few were having trouble closing the deals and getting paid. After brainstorming ways to pre-sell the clients beforehand, we came up with a solution that allowed the students to exclusively deal with business owners after they have started paying by using a professional video to do all of the selling for them. I recorded the sales video myself and built a landing page that sells the business owners on $497 a month fee without ever having to talk to them or even reply to one of their emails. After dozens of combinations of videos, landing pages, and buy buttons for over 2 months, we finally stumbled on the perfect combination, a solution that is able to sell business owners completely on autopilot. All of my coaching students have been using this to successfully build 6-figure businesses without having to do any selling or even speaking to business owners that weren't already paying them. Now, since you have invested in my Effortless Income course, I want to offer you this accelerated sales funnel system as, well, a free $0 bonus. And I am going to personally guarantee your results. I have to warn you, though. This edition and personal guarantee are only for the people who are serious about getting started. And so if you are the type of person who can follow some simple instructions and send just 5 emails a day, I am willing to guarantee you 3 new clients in 2 weeks. Sound fair enough? Here's what I put together for you in this accelerated program. First, you are getting my split-tested sales video and landing page that is proven to sell clients on the $497 monthly service that you will be offering in the Effortless Income course. Let the tested sales pitch in this video do all of the hard work selling for you and only deal with clients after they have paid you. And to make sending those 5 emails a day even easier for you, I'm including an expanded set of email templates, so all you have to do is copy and paste and send. These are the actual emails my coaching clients are using right now to book their clients every day. The emails in this pack are written specifically for my highest converting offline niches: diner owners, pizza parlors, retail clothing stores, beauty and hair salons, auto repair shops, coffee shops, dentists, family doctors, attorneys, realtors, and insurance brokers. And to make sure you can get started today, I've included an over-the-shoulder video that walks you through every step from your first email all the way to servicing your first client after you have been paid. All you have to do is follow along in the video and send 5 emails a day. And I personally guarantee that you will book at least 3 new clients, earning a minimum of $1,437 per month. Imagine it with me, waking up in the morning and spending just 20 minutes to send out 5 cold emails to prospective business owners while you have your coffee. Then taking the rest of the day off knowing that this proven sales video is out there booking clients for you. And right before you turn in for a night's rest, checking your email to find it full of business owners who have already started paying you $500 a month for a simple service that you can outsource for about $5 a day. Your friends and family will wonder how you pulled it off, just like my friends always ask me, "Luther, how are you so successful even though it seems like you are never working or stressed out? What's your secret?" Well, now you know the secret. A proven system that pulls in $500 a month clients like clockwork with only 20 minutes of work per day. A system that is guaranteed to work for you. But don't take my word for it. Hear what some of my coaching students had to say about this system. Becky Cologne from Brooklyn, New York says, "These videos are converting like crazy. I've booked 2 new clients using your funnel since I started." And Georgie Armstrong from Auburn, Washington says, "Thanks for the video recordings. The first payment came in for $8,000. This was a client who saw your video and sales presentation, no selling on my part. Now it's your turn to join the dozens of marketers earning real money and changing their lives every day. Just by sending out a few emails, you'll be signing up new clients every week, paying you $497 per month in fees. Just imagine how much your life will change after you book your first 10 clients, or 20, or even 50 clients, all paying you $500 a month for a simple service you can outsource for peanuts. This is just the beginning of what you can offer them and how much money you can earn from each one. Remember, the only way you can learn this accelerated done-for-you client getting system was to sign up for my coaching program at a cost of nearly $3,000. However, you will not be paying $3,000 to get your hands on these sales materials, not even half that price, nor will you be paying the retail price of $97. As a customer of my Effortless Income course, you are getting everything. The sales video that sends you business owners only after they have paid you, a nearly $200 value. The niche emails to generate traffic to the videos, nearly $100 in value. The over-the-shoulder live video walkthrough training, that's $47 in value. And my bonus client work agreements, a $97 value. All yours for the low, low price of $0. Go to effortlessbonus.com right now to claim all of your bonuses absolutely free. Once there, you'll be taken to our download page. Just put in your email here and click download. Once you've confirmed your email, you will be in the members area where you can download all of your bonus materials. Go to effortlessbonus.com right now, download all your bonus materials, and I will be there to greet you personally with even more surprises in the members area.